Damn.
I jumped the gun.
It's already begun. So, in this one, we're going to answer the question that nobody fucking asked. Can two fucking idiots paint a car?
No.
No! So, just to clarify, I'm not a fucking painter. Jared's not a painter. We've both dabbled with fucking painting things and aerosol. But actual professional.
Equipment.
Professional. That's a no-go. That's a no amigo. So, obviously,
It's gonna look like dick all, but fuck it.
it's going to be mint. So obviously the car's near finished. It's nearly ready to get out drifting again. And I can't go back out blue. As the it's went through a big enough transformation. So we're going to attempt the paint job. So yeah.
Look, that's a good fucking key out there.
That's the prep started. Door handles, mirrors off. Yeah, start sanding it down. Oh, it's gonna take friggin' ages. But it'll be worth it.
This is gonna either be really good or really bad.
It's gonna be mint. Probably. So for context, the roof is pretty shitty because I was watching a truck and tractor run a couple of years ago. Just to remind you, I paid £400 for this car. So there's zero fucks given about it. So to get a better view to watch the truck and tractor run, I decided, I'll set the roof. Gives you shit if it dents in. And now here we are, a couple of years later, giving a shit. So Jared being the fucking technical wizard that he is, has the whole heat and cool fucking idea to get the strength back in it. It seems to be working so far. Fire fixes all. What I have learned so far is, though, prepping a car for paint sucks. just like that. Just take that off. Just like that. She's sanded, panel wiped, ready for some sort of primer. And these obviously all have to be done as well, but and that. Zoom makes my arms look really weird. Ooh, such long arms. Damn. Yeah. Wiped. Panel wiped. Very precise measurement. Was. Some to some more. That's the vibe we're going for, sir. So there we go. It's finally in a white base coat. Just need to let that sit and cure down tomorrow. I might actually put some colour on it. It's looking good so far. Back to more sanding. White base coat. Once sanded back, I'm going to start laying some colour. Hopefully I figured out how to put this into black and white. If I haven't, then that's the colour. And if I have figured out how to put it in black and white, you'll see it when it's all painted. There she is, boy. Alright. Time for the skirts. Right, I'll fuck these up because I've not a lot of paint left. for the shiny stuff. So there we have it. Can 288s paint the car? Short answer, yes. Fucking long answer, with a bit more paint and a bit more research into exactly what's needed, it probably would have turned out better. But we're all about transparency here, so we're not going to hide our fuck ups. It did react a wee bit. We tried our best to compensate it, but I mean, it is what it is. It's a drift car, it's going to get slapped about, it's going to get hit, so you get what you get. But on the whole, the result's pretty good. Just the last few wee bits to tidy up. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but there's a few wee bits of reactivity there. Another wee bit in the door. A fair bit on the bonnet. But by the time the graphics and stuff's on, it'll be mint. But that's us. Millennium Jade is200. So on the whole, it's turned out pretty well. Got my gloss black on, a couple of wee extras. Still get the skirts on. Gloss black door handles. Gloss black trim. So put the mesh in for the missing bit in the boot lid. A few wee bits around where the exhaust and stuff's going to come out. All that'll be gloss black. Tie in with the buttons and the mirrors and the handles. But that's us. Yeah, the white coat, the white base coat turned out pretty well. It was just a bit too plain and boring. So we've obviously went with Millennium Jade. Yeah, hindsight, would have got better quality materials. Would have got more of it. Would have done a wee bit more prep work. There's still sort of scratches in the boot lid and stuff and whatnot. But yeah, on the whole, it's pretty good. So yeah, can to complete fucking novices do a paint job? Abso-fucking-lutely. So get out there, have a go, get into your fucking garage, build some shit.